Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well and staying inspired. Let's talk about something that takes real courage, being vulnerable. We live in a world that tells us to stay strong, to keep it together. But real strength is not about pretending. It's about showing up even when your voice shakes. Vulnerability is not weakness, it's courage in motion. When you choose to be open, to be real, and share your truth, you give others permission to do the same. Remember now that the more we hide is the more we disconnect. But when we show up as we are, we remind others that healing and honesty can coexist. In closing, let me remind you this. There is power in your truth. There is power in telling your truth. Catch you in the next one. Bye.